What we're going to do is vote of thanks from Mavish and then a group photograph. Mavish is the group president of Health Parliament and the Academy of Digital Health Sciences, which is the host and ideator of this movement. Mavish, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Dear distinguished guests, as we reach the culmination of today's historic launch of Digital Health Sans Borders and the unveiling of the Geneva Declaration of Responsibility in Digital Health, it is my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of all those who believe in a future where no one is left behind in the digital health evolution. First, I extend my deepest gratitude to our distinguished speakers, global health leaders, policy champions who joined us from across the continent to lend their wisdom and experience to this movement. Your presence reaffirms our collective commitment to a healthier, more equitable world. To our collaborators, partner institutions, and advisory board, thank you for believing in the vision of a borderless, inclusive, and interoperable digital health ecosystem. Your support has been truly inspiring and transformative. We are especially thankful to Dr. Tedros and the entire team of WHO, the GD Hub team, Dr. Caroline, Dr. Sophie, and for making this launch possible, and this beautiful campus, Biotech, for letting us host this event at such an iconic venue, a place where science, diplomacy, and innovation converge. This movement would not exist without the pioneering spirit of Dr. Rajiv Pratap Gupta, whose leadership continues to light the path toward a more inclusive and equitable digital health future. And this would not have been possible without my team at Academy of Digital Health Sciences and Health Parliament. Thank you to my team. This Geneva Declaration of Responsibility now form a moral compass for digital health governance, urging the world to move from innovation for profits to innovation for people. To the countless frontline workers, digital health innovators, and patient advocates, this movement is a tribute to your efforts, and to the many patients in underserved regions whose struggles often go unseen. Your voices now echo through this declaration. Finally, to each one of you who joined us here in person and online, thank you for becoming part of a movement that will define the future of health systems. As we move forward from this milestone, let us remember, this is not the end, but the beginning. The journey to digital health for all by 2030 has begun. Let us carry this torch forward with responsibility, with compassion, and with unwavering resolve. Thank you, and may this be the dawn of a truly global, digital, and equitable future in healthcare. Thank you so much, and I request you to please sign the declaration and we can have a group photograph. Thank you so much.
Photo.